Let's stir up some time, mastering cooking time estimates in English. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our series on English language learning. Today we're stirring up some fun as we delve into estimating and discussing cooking time. Cooking is a daily routine for many, and it's important to be able to discuss and understand cooking times in English. Whether you're preparing a simple pasta dish or a complex gourmet meal, estimating cooking time is crucial. So, let's get started. When we're preparing food, different dishes require different amounts of time to cook. You might hear phrases like, simmer for 15 minutes, or bake at 180 degrees for 30 minutes. These are all examples of how we describe cooking times in English. The key here is to understand and be able to use the different time units in English: seconds, minutes, and hours. You'll also want to familiarize yourself with the verbs that we commonly use with these time units. For example, we simmer, bake, boil, roast, grill, fry, and steam our food for a certain amount of time. Here are some example sentences. Boil the eggs for about 10 minutes. Simmer the soup for 2 hours. Bake the cake for 30 minutes at 350 degrees. Estimating cooking time can be a bit tricky, but it's an important part of meal planning and preparation. When you're describing how long it takes to cook something, we use phrases like about, around, up to, or approximately to give an estimate. This is useful when the exact cooking time can vary. Here are some example sentences. The chicken should roast for approximately 1 hour. You need to sauté the vegetables for around 5 minutes. The rice will take up to 20 minutes to cook. Discussing cooking times is common when sharing recipes or talking about meals. You might need to ask how long something takes to cook, or someone might ask you. Being able to ask and answer questions about cooking time is a key skill in conversational English. Here are some useful phrases and questions. How long does it take to bake the bread? The steak needs to be grilled for about 10 minutes on each side. What's the cooking time for the lasagna? And that's all we have for today's session on estimating and discussing cooking time. We hope you've picked up some useful phrases and questions that you can use in your everyday conversations. Remember, practice makes perfect. So try using these phrases next time you're preparing a meal or discussing your favorite recipes. Happy cooking and happy learning! See you in our next video.